Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair has gained 0.5% in the last two sessions. The highs-lows indicator has heated up and is currently positive. Bitcoin has fallen 5.4% in the last three sessions. The RSI is heating up and is now giving a neutral signal. The price of gold has fallen 0.4% in the last session. The RSI has shifted into the negative zone. The price of crude oil has lost 4.1% in the last session. The CCI shifted sharply into the negative area.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The technology-heavy Nasdaq led Wall Street lower as a rotation out of richly valued stocks into underpriced sectors added to pressure from end-of-quarter rebalancing by institutional investors. Internet of Things platform IoTex's Pebble Tracker is able to capture real-world data and record it securely for a variety of use cases, including vaccine traceability, NFTs, and collectibles. The dollar hit a fresh four-month high against the euro, as the U.S. pandemic response continued to outpace Europe's, which has been hobbled by extended lockdowns.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The UK's retail sales will be released at 700 GMT, Germany's IFO business climate at 900 GMT, the UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 1930 GMT. Germany's IFO current assessment will be released at 900 GMT, the U.S. personal income at 1230 GMT, Japan's CFTC JPY-NC net positions at 1930 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.